Wait, please. Okay, I think we are there. No, no PAP. The rainforest of Costa Rica. We are right now in Tortuguero National Park. You can see typical rainforest vegetation on both sides of the river. And you are seeing a wild Varakula group plantations. And you can also see Varaka growing in the Varakulas. This is Varapu. This is called Varapu. It's growing wild. Then you will see a fallen tree. Mixed audience. This is a type of pana. Yes, and the pana leaves are in the water. Another type of archedi growing in the banks of the river. There's a big dodda tree. Oh, that is big. Now the average height of the trees are increasing. Trees are becoming dodda and dodda. Now you'll see a wild hand. This hand is actually right. Okay, now you see a panoramic view of this panoramic video is basically showing you the type of plants. You can see how thick and how diverse the plantation plants and the things are. Some children, hungry children in the back of the boat.